Hello, this is David from Cardock, Cornwall in Penryn. Today we've got an Audi A1 with a scraped arch. This job is specially for smart repair technicians everywhere because this is just the type of job that we like. I hope you enjoy the video. You can see the scratches there in the edge of the arch, and the idea here is to paint just on that flat area. The first thing I do is to mask up the area to make sure I don't go beyond the part that I want to actually sand. The scratches are light, so I don't have to use an aggressive abrasive to get through there. I've gone down to 400 here now, which makes sure that there's no edges and it's nicely blended out. I'm masking up here for primer, and you'll see I've folded the tape across there. Then I'm going to put an extra layer of folded tape because I want to make sure I've got a very soft edge to make sanding much easier when I come to sand down the primer. A couple of coats of aerosol primer because it doesn't need to have any heavy duty primer on there. And then again I put some masking just to protect the area because I don't want to go beyond that flat face. Now I can key the whole area with 1000 grit abrasive ready for painting and lacquering. I'm applying tape right on the edge of the arch there, followed by a soft edge piece of tape which will help the paint to blend nicely, and then finally finish off with the rest of the masking for paint and lacquer. It needs 3 coats of paint to cover the primer, and then the 4th coat, the final one, is the drop coat, which is the one that is the effect coat, and make sure that the metallic particles sit correctly. That's all dried off with the blowers, and then the first coat of lacquer goes on. After 10 minutes, put the second coat of lacquer a bit heavier, and then remove the masking so that I can make sure that the lacquer edge is softened by using fade out spray, and that's what's gone on there, followed by infrared curing. To make the repair invisible, I make sure the lacquer texture is the same as the original finish, so I'm using a 1500 disc there just to sand that down, followed by polishing with a denim pad, and then I use my mini polisher to polish it up properly because it's a bit of an awkward area being so tight. And once that's done, then I can follow up with the fine polish on the yellow pad there, and that finishes off the job nicely. In the final inspection, you can see there's no evidence of the edge of the paint or the edge of the lacquer. You would never know the job had been done, and this is what smart repairers do. This is what we specialise in. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon with a new one.